So one of the things I like to work with when I'm doing work in front of a classroom is a URL shortener. Now I've got this little extension button here which won't probably be installed in your version of Chrome, and I do like using Chrome when working with Google Apps for Ed. Most of the reason is that Google have created this browser, so when they write software for the web, I've just got a feeling that it works a little bit smoother. So there's a couple of ways that we can add this extension. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click here on this, and I'm going to go down to my settings, and you'll see here that I have settings for the browser, and if I go to extensions, I have all these particular ones here that have already been installed. I have a few. I'm going to remove this one just for now. And there are a couple of ways that I can add new extensions. Firstly, once I'm in this part, I can go down the bottom here and I can click Get More Extensions. Well, quite often you've got an Apps button, and in the Apps section I can then click Web Store, and there's a category for extensions over here. And what I'm going to be wanting to add back is my URL shortener. Don't need to spell the whole thing. And you can see that there are a few of them out there, but the one I like is generally the one that's at the top of the list. Once I press Add to Chrome, it will ask me, can it have permission to read and change the data on the websites you visit? It's not really a big issue for me. I'm going to press Add there. And then you'll notice that up here, I now have this extra button added just across from the address bar. I can rearrange these. And so whenever I'm at a website, let's say if I want the Bureau of Meteorology's page here, and I'd like students to be able to access that quickly, obviously I could just put the link into the website management or classroom learning system we're using. Maybe it's Google Classroom, maybe it's Moodle. You could just copy that and we could put it into a wiki. If I just want to do it quickly in front of the class without having to go and paste it, then what I can do is I can just press this button here and it shortens it for me, gives me this reasonably short and easy address to put up on the board, or even if I just write it up on a whiteboard. I can copy it, and if I press this button here I can get a QR code, which might be very handy if I'm working with students with iPads. And so I've got that there, and from there if I copy that, if I open up a new tab, I can just put that there and students will go to the page that I want them to be at.